such a hot day, Morphle. We should have an ice cream. Ooh, ice cream. Huh? What's that?
That's my new magic pet. He loves the cold.
That's not a magic pet, Daddy. It's a penguin.
What? Ah, so that's why it didn't seem to have any magic powers.
We should bring it back to the South Pole. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon.
I can't believe I thought that poor penguin was a magic pet. Thank you for helping, Mila and Morphle. I already found a new magic pet for the Magic Pet Store. This time, I'm sure I got it right. I would love to have the chance to photograph a real live Tyrannosaurus.
Morphle, morph into a time machine.
Look, Mila and Morphle, a herd of Gallimimus.
Wow! There's something in the bushes.
Ankylosauruses. Hey, my camera! There he is! This is my chance. Ah, my camera.
This map tells us where we can find a hidden treasure. It should be right here. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Morphle! Yay! Look, Morphle! Dolphins! And there's a whale! Those are jellyfish. Watch out, Morphle! Jellyfish sting! That's Neptune, the king of the sea. Now where is that treasure? We found it, Morphle! Yippee!
We'll take that.
Oh no!
Thank you for finding us this treasure.
Go after them, Morphle! Oh no! Uh-oh! It's a little mermaid. Oh no! Yay!
What's going on here?
Whoa!
There you are.
Sorry, lad. No hard feelings, aye?
Now let's see what's inside. Wow! Pearls! Morphle! Morph into a Christmas reindeer! I don't think this will be a white Christmas, Morphle. But I know someone who can help us with that. Hi, Atmo. Can you make it snow in the city so we can have a white Christmas? Let's start here. Ah! Snow! Now let's make it snow in the whole city. What are you building, Morphle? Snowman. Wow, that looks fun. Professor Rashid, is something wrong?
Hi, Mila and Morphle. It seems like we will have a white Christmas after all this year. But this is just way too much. It's causing trouble in the city.
Oh, but don't worry, Professor Rashid. Atmo can melt away some of the snow. Oh no! Atmo snow is gone.
Ah, I have an idea. With my latest invention, I can zap those snowmen to life. And with their brooms, they can sweep away all the extra snow.
Wow! Great! This is going great! But do you know who can get rid of the snow even faster? A giant snowman! Morphle, morph into a bulldozer to collect snow for the snowman. Hi, Big Snowman. There is too much snow in the city. Can you help us clean up all the extra snow?
Ooh!
What was that? Let's see what's going on, Morphle. Oh no! If that giant snowball hits the city, everything will be covered in snow again. Morphle Robot! Oh no! Morphle! Wow! Santa! And Atmo! Santa! Oh!
Oh, it seems we got back just in time, Atmo.
Was Atmo with you, Santa?
Yes, when I saw Atmo could create snow, I asked Atmo to help bring a white Christmas to lots of places all over the world. Living snowmen? Wow!
Yeah! With Atmo gone, the snowmen helped clean up all the extra snow. But with all the extra snow gone, the snowmen don't have a job anymore.
Well, I could use some help on the North Pole getting ready for Christmas. What do you say? Do you want to help me? Ho, ho, ho!
Morphle, morph into a car. Look, Morphle, this is our picnic basket. go to the forest. That's where we are going to have our picnic. Yay! Picnic! This looks like the perfect spot. Let's set up the picnic. Now it's time to eat. Yay! Morphle hungry! Oh no! It's raining! Quickly pack up the picnic. Morphle hungry. I have an idea. Above the clouds, there's no rain. Hey, it's the cloud monster. He's crying. That's why it was raining. Oh, what's wrong, Cloud Monster?
I'm so lonely.
Cloud Monster, a picnic is here? Yeah, you can join our picnic.
Really?
Morphle hungry. There is no place in the world where it's more fun to climb trees than in the jungle. Right, Morphle? Hey, look! The crocodile seems like it's in pain. I'm too scared to get close to it, Morphle. You should morph into a crocodile too, so you two can become friends. Crocodile, what's wrong? Crocodile, a toothache. We should help it by brushing its teeth. Oh, this is scary. Ah, look, Morphle. The crocodile was just losing a baby tooth. That's why it had a toothache. Now we can put the tooth right here and wait for the tooth fairy. This is such a long wait. Maybe the tooth fairy doesn't visit the jungle. Let's wait for just a little bit more. Phew. Phew. Morphle, morph into a toy car.
Oh no, a flat tire. Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Oh no! Of will help Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the glue bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you needed to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh, no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, Ice Cream Man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream! Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman! Look! There's a crime going on!
Ah, I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle! They're going over the bridge! Oh no! The bridge is opening! Morphle, add rockets to the car!
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will... fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them. We caught you, glue bandits.
We are no longer the glue bandits. We are now the chain of office bandits. Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
What? In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The chain of office bandits will strike again.
Ah, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain.
Your chain? Ha ha! That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket.
Morphle, morph into an excavator.
The yearly water balloon beach castle competition is about to start. Kids against parents. Start building your sandcastles now. The castles are done. Now get out your water balloons.
Our castle is great. We are going to win.
Yeah, they're just little kids.
That was amazing! The kids win this award.
Haha, congratulations, kids. You won fair and square.
Let's play in the castle some more. Can I hold the award now, Marvel?
Look, Pirate Phil, it's a treasure.
So?
So, we are pirates, Pirate Phil. And what do pirates love? That's right, treasures.
But they have a giant sandcastle, Pirate Maurice.
Yes, but we have a water balloon cannon.
Let's get them, guys! Oh no! We ran out of water balloons! We need to find more water balloons, Morphle. Dig a hole for me to sneak out. If you keep fixing the castle, I'll go get the water balloons. Daddy, we need more water balloons. The pirates won our award.
We don't have any more water balloons.
But we can fill up these with water.
Yeah, or this.
treasure is almost ours! Huh? Pirate Phil! Fire the water cannon!